reading water. Easier than writing in air, but not impossible. A woman at the Chinese temple grieved for her lost son. She wrote the story on the landing of a wide set of steps. Stacks of wet characters spilled precisely. My guide translated as we passed. When we returned, the woman was gone. Her grief gone too. No mystery to that disappearance. I try to write like her, in water. The words go and stay gone. Sons get lost, and daughters too. A boat scraped by rocks rocks dangerously. Yes, it's impossible to know deep water. The bottom reveals nothing. It won't speak aloud its lines, quiet in the cloudy green-gray theater. Moody, it moves on as I move across its surface, suggesting what's beneath. Contours of a rocky point dropping off into a channel, a weed bed, tendrils reaching sunward, yellow flowers in a glassy phase chopped by wind. I think of the woman's loss evaporating. When the rain falls, it leaves me wet. It pools in the tough yellow bulbs of flowers, spilling into the lake as I row toward shore.